only a select few today can say that their day got off to a productive morning. And that's despite the fact that one of the best brain trainers in the world, Jim Kwik, aligns with most rich people, and Evan Carmichael, an entrepreneur and investor, when he said, "Wake up early and tackle the day before it tackles you." According to Jim, one can only exert themselves to the fullest potential in the morning. Think about how much money you could actually earn if you established a few good habits in the morning. This is not some sort of prank. You can put it to the test first thing in the morning. But first, it's important to watch the entire video to know how to have a productive morning that will help you become wealthy. Welcome to the Wealth Builder Den, your way to financial freedom. We'll help you make good investments and informed financial decisions to build your wealth. Subscribe to the channel. We'll share investment tips and tricks on how to save money and becoming wealthy. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated. This will help you avoid wasting any more money. Now, let's get straight into the videos. Jim Kwik was once referred to as the boy with a broken brain. At age 5, he sustained a terrible head injury, which made it extremely difficult for him to learn at school. Kwik even believed for a while that he would never catch up to the other students, at least when it comes to academics. Kwik devoted his time throughout the years studying the complexity of his malfunctioning brain. Through research, he learned several methods for expanding his mind. Jim was very skilled at using his habits and brain to achieve success. Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, Bill Clinton, and Richard Branson are among his clients, and they were all able to increase their incomes by employing simply their brain power thanks to his counsel. Jim frequently asserts that having a positive morning routine is the key to success in life. The secret to a successful day is having a good start. You'll be more productive the next day if you establish certain routines at the beginning of the day. Kwik contends that you can overcome any challenge and produce excellent outcomes. What behaviors are we referring to? Will having the right morning actually make you rich? We'll let you know in this video. Find solutions from your dreams. Jim Kwik writes down his dreams as soon as he wakes up and encourages others to do the same. The cause is that your mind never stops functioning. In fact, it continues to work while you sleep on the duties from the previous day. It's possible that you dreamed up the answers you were looking for. You spend the entire day doing work or learning in an effort to complete certain chores and address personal and professional issues. Your mind keeps thinking about the previous 24 hours even after you fall asleep. Without realizing it, the mind looks for solutions to the problems that have been raised throughout the day. The most creative concepts and answers strike when you're sleeping. However, the issue is that you can't remember them after you wake up. So, Jim suggests that you keep a dream journal and right after waking up, write down all of your dreams. People grow into greatness with a bit of discipline. The second practice that Jim advises adopting is always making your bed. Jim claims that such a routine will help you maintain order and enables you to kick off the day with some small successes. Your responsibility for the environment is substantial. Your thinking gets more clear when your workstation, home, and bedroom are clean. According to Jim, the moment you fix your bed, you unquestionably have a successful morning because you easily completed the first task you had planned to complete. One recipe for success is water. Coffee is presumably the first thing you drink in the morning, but Jim believes that's a big mistake since your body, and most crucially your brain, need water once you've woken up. Maintaining enough hydration is crucial for your brain. We lose a great deal of water as we sleep. Jim thus suggests making up for the deficiency right after waking up. More oxygen through deep breathing. In the same way water does, oxygen gives us life and energy. In Jim's opinion, oxygen replenishment is crucial for the body as a whole, but especially for the brain. Many people experience morning fatigue and fogginess or feeling drained. What can one do about this mental tiredness then? Jim suggests that you replenish your body with oxygen first. Jim encourages doing deep breathing exercises as part of a breathing routine to achieve this. Physical and mental relaxation. After doing the aforementioned tasks, Jim suggests taking some time for yourself to relax with a cup of herbal tea. You won't suffer any harm in the morning from having a little relaxation, focus, and time to gather your thoughts together. A decent herbal tea will help you with that, according to Jim. An antioxidant and nutrient-rich cup of green tea infuses the body with energy, and a dash of caffeine wakes up the brain. Write down and record your activities. Additionally, to make your time more productive while drinking your tea, start writing a journal for yourself. For instance, Jim keeps a daily schedule and a list of his greatest blessings in his diary. Jim recalls reading a Time magazine piece about nuns who were in their 80s and 90s. He was interested in learning how they remained so long-lived. It came out that their emotional fate and appreciation made all the difference. Another crucial point to keep in mind is that if you can't be grateful for what you already have, you won't get what you want. You must exercise in the morning. The importance of sports in your life should never be underestimated for sure. Everyone doesn't have time for exercises during the day. However, you may squeeze it in first thing in the morning. Jim advises against performing a full workout in the morning, especially if you don't have the time. The most important thing is to simply move. By doing so, you'll increase blood circulation throughout your body and make your muscles and brain ready for whatever stress your day will bring. Jim highlights that it only takes 3 to 4 minutes of vigorous exercise to start your heart pumping and your body moving, since how your heart beats and how well your blood is circulated throughout your body also affects your brain functions. Eat breakfast. Jim claims that breakfast is the most important morning routine since it affects your day's level of energy, health, and mood. When you sleep, all bodily functions slow down. That includes expenditure of calories, insulin sensitivity, blood sugar levels, and cortisol production rises. Starving yourself or consuming an excessive amount of carbohydrates is the most detrimental thing you can do in the morning. No meals in the morning will result in continued metabolic exhaustion. You'll be consumed with thoughts of food as your hunger intensifies, which distracts your day and may disrupt your way to success. Additionally, a prolonged hunger gap and the resulting low blood glucose levels will increase the likelihood of bringing on calorie-dense meals. Because satiety takes longer to develop in this condition, it is more challenging to detect satiety signals. High levels of cortisol also don't help. Another thing to consider is that eating a breakfast high in carbohydrates but low in insulin will result in drowsiness and hunger after just 2 hours. Everything revolves around a glycemic index. Even the most beneficial watermelon, having a high glycemic index, will have similar effects on your body as a donut. Breakfast food are an immense wealth of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals along with protein and fiber, besides giving us energy. It is an essential requirement for our body. According to a number of studies, those who skip breakfast are less likely to succeed in making up for what they've missed over the day. Brushing your teeth technique. It seems that cleaning your teeth has advantages for your brain as well as your mouth. However, it must be done correctly. Jim asserts that your brain will begin operating more effectively if you wash your teeth every morning with your non-dominant hand. It has been demonstrated that using your non-dominant hand to brush your teeth exercises both your body and your brain. It does create new brain connections. Additionally, it activates the brain's second lobe, which is frequently non-functional for you. You start the day off being really productive. Read a book to end your morning. You can greatly broaden the scope of your knowledge and finish one book each month by reading every day. Leaders are readers, so about 30 minutes should be undoubtedly set up for reading. A significant company's CEO read at least 7 books annually, claims Jim. compared to the ordinary person's 1 or 2. Small actions add up to large outcome. It is noteworthy to highlight that a good morning lays the foundation for the day. Although to some it may appear insignificant, the road to prosperity is actually made up of things like this. This sets up your way to financial freedom. You will have to decide whether to start making changes in your life in order to become wealthy and more successful when you get up tomorrow. Or you could just ignore everything in this video and rely on luck to bring you good fortune. What matters is that you would be fulfilled as a result of your decision. That concludes today's video. Now I hope you guys learned some useful information from this video. We appreciate you for staying till the end. Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Kindly click the like, subscribe, and notification bell icons. If you think this video will help you in your future financial decisions, visit our channel for more financial knowledge, building your wealth, and investment tips and tricks videos that you don't want to miss out. Have a great day and see you in our next video.